Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bedrick, the ultimate destination for adventure and photography. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to one of the hidden gems of Oslob, Cebu, the breathtaking Tumalog Falls. I'm your host, Drew, and I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. So let's dive right into the adventure. Special thanks to Richard Baduya for the wonderful photos. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable road ride to one of Cebu's most picturesque destinations, Tumalog Falls in Oslob. Get ready to experience the thrill of the open road, the beauty of nature, and the refreshing embrace of cascading waters. In this video, we'll take you along for the ride as we navigate the winding roads that lead to Tumalog Falls. From the bustling streets of Cebu City to the tranquil countryside of Oslob, you'll witness the diverse landscapes and vibrant culture that make this journey so captivating. Along the way, we'll share our top tips for road tripping in Cebu, including the best routes to take, pit stops to make, and hidden gems to discover. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a novice adventurer, this road ride is sure to inspire your next two-wheeled escapade. Once we arrive at Tumalog Falls, get ready to be mesmerized by its natural beauty. We'll capture stunning footage of the falls from every angle, giving you a glimpse into the enchanting world that awaits at the end of the road. So buckle up, hit the throttle, and join us on this epic road ride to Tumalog Falls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures from around the globe. Let's hit the road and make some memories together. After a scenic drive, we've arrived at Tumalog Falls. The anticipation is building up, and I can already hear the soothing sound of the water. Let's gear up and explore this stunning destination together. Nestled in the heart of nature, Tumalog Falls is a true paradise for anyone seeking a blend of adventure and tranquility. With its cascading waters and surrounded by tropical foliage, it's a haven for travel photographers and thrill seekers alike. As we navigate the trail, I want to share some photography tips to make the most of your Tumalog Falls adventure. Firstly, make sure to bring a waterproof camera or a reliable camera cover, as you'll likely get wet. The lighting here can be magical, so try to capture the falls during the golden hour for that dreamy effect. And don't forget to bring a wide-angle lens to capture the entirety of the falls in one frame. Now, let's get closer and feel the energy of this incredible natural wonder. Just look at that. The sheer power and beauty of Tumalog Falls are truly mesmerizing. The cool mist in the air and the sound of rushing water create an unforgettable experience. Be sure to pack a waterproof bag for your valuables, as you might want to get close enough to feel the spray. Buti na lang at may sponsor sa bag ni Brenda. The water is invigorating. Taking a dip in the pool beneath Tumalog Falls is a must-do. It's not only refreshing but also a great way to connect with nature. Make sure to bring your swimsuit and embrace the adventure. Tumalog Falls ay matatagpuan sa Barangay Luca, southern part of Cebu. Tumatagal ng halos 2.5 oras upang makarating sa lugar mula sa lungsod ng Cebu. Ang turkis na tubig ng talon ay hindi gaanong masigla tulad ng sa pagbagsak sa kawasan. Ngunit ang manipis na laki ng talon ay ang siyang umaakit sa mga turista para ito'y bisitahin. Plan your trip to Philippines at bisitahin ang Cebu sa mga waterfalls nito. Ang tubig ng Tumalog Falls ay nagmumula sa mga pag-agos ng ilang mga bukal ng bundok sa itaas ng agos. Ang parehong bukal na nagpapakain sa mga ilog at talon ng bayan ng Samboan na nasa tapat ng Oslob. Katulad ng iba pang mga talon ng Cebu, ang tubig ng Tumalog Falls ay sumasalamin sa isang perpektong turquoise na kulay dahil sa mataas na dami ng limestone deposit sa lupa nito. Gayunpaman, hindi tulad ng iba pang mga cascades sa lugar, ang Tumalog Falls ay pana-panahon. May mga pagkakataon lalo na sa panahon ng tagtuyot na ang tubig nito ay natutuyo at nagmumukhang hindi kaaya-aya. Ang pinakamainam na oras upang bisitahin upang masaksihan ang Tumalog Falls sa lahat ng kaluwalhatian nito ay sa panahon ng tag-ulan mula Hunyo hanggang Pebrero. Shoutout kay Tita Brenda Beduya at Vladimir sa isang paglalakbay sa Cebu. What an incredible journey it has been exploring Tumalog Falls in Oslob, Cebu. From the lush surroundings to the exhilarating experience of standing beneath the falls, this place is a paradise for any adventure seeker and photography enthusiast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more exciting travel and adventure content. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing the beauty around you. This is Drew Kaibigan ni Richard Beduya, signing off from Tumalog Falls. See you in the next adventure.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content from our Nikon adventures.